Good evening, friends. So we will be discussing today some new things. If you can see my screen, it's a BSE option chain, and if you can see, this is NSE option chain. Now, as we go ahead, uh, and if we check some other websites like TradingView, you will come to know about the direction or the chart of Nifty, which we can see over here. And if you see, it's most probably it's moving in a small range right now. This week it's absolutely consolidating. This is this week's option chain. It's clearly consolidating. So with this we can understand that there is like a consolidation happening over here, and with the option chain we can predict, or we can see like what exactly is the positioning of the FIs. And so this is for 11th of August, that is on Tuesday. And if you see on the next week again, so overall the market sentiment, or overall the market direction is still on the upside. I personally feel that it is like 25,500 to 26,000 level. It can reach till the month end, most probably, or the first week of September. So there are chances that it can go up till there. Now this has happened. Now this is the open interest for 26,000 put for last week of August. And if you see again on September again, last week, you will see open interest 25,500, 26,000. Here all open interests coming up, and here it's 3.5 lakhs or 2.5 lakhs approximately total. Then comes the October month, then like in October and the October month or the November month, it will be Diwali time. So, and as you all know that the war is almost over, so there is no negative as such. Of course, Trump is again given some tariffs news, which will be offset by Hormuz news, like Iran news. Suppose he'll be giving 100% tariffs to India because of India buying Russian oil. But simultaneously, Hormuz is getting opened, so India can shift immediately from Russia to Iran. So there is no problem at all. People will say that the market will react on Monday. I don't think so. It can react. It will react actually, because nothing negative, because Hormuz is anyhow it's getting opened. Now the second point is till till what level can the Nifty go? So Nifty can go up to 30,000. It can easily cross 27,000, the high of the previous high of 26,500. Also, if you see that FIs are in the buying mode right now. Of course, they are not buying the large caps. If you see they are buying mid caps and small caps. So a lot of money has been moved from large caps and big companies like Reliance, Infosys, TCS, HDFC, all big names, Asian Paints, all big names. The money has been moved, and the sell-off has happened. And now again, when they are buying, they are not buying these same stocks. They are buying something different stocks, which we don't know exactly right now which stocks they are buying. We'll come to know like when the report is generated. So till then, but to be honest, there is upside only in the market, no negativity. Of course there will be profit bookings or some kind of short corrections, small corrections we can say, but I do see that market can go up to 30,000 levels. Even if you see all the option chains, there is nothing negative in the market, so market can react, like can rally. Actually there is nothing bad news in the market, so of course market will react, will rally. And if you see it here, actually I'm not a paid member of trading view, that's the reason it comes, the pop-up comes. If you see from here, it went to here like 22,000 some, and from this there was low of 23,880. Then this was not, never again came up. The last it came to 23,600 something. Again the dip. Now again from here, this new. So probably this will just consolidate over here, and again the move will, the up move will be up like 25,500 to 26,000 levels. It can be here till here. So I'm not sure which month it can come in. August. Of course, August month can come up to 25,500, and September month will be probably it can go up to 26,000. Of course, kind of profit bookings or corrections will happen. Like suppose, see if you see here, the market moved from here to here, like from 24,300 level, it came from here to 25,100. Again there was profit booking. Again it went from here to again 25,400. Again there was a profit booking 24,600. So if you see the lower lows, 23, 24,356, 24,442, and here directly 24,637. So it never reached over here. It was slowly and steadily going up. So same way, the market will again start going up, but this time my view is the 26,000 level, the 26,300, 400 level, which has acted as a very strong resistance. This time it will breach. This time it will definitely break out from here. That's my instinct. Like it is 100% chance that this time this will break. I'm not sure when exactly, but as we'll see new highs coming up. And of course, on if you know, there is midterm elections in US. If you see, it's on 3rd of November. Midterm elections are on 3rd of November. So November, of course, there is nothing. It's not open yet, but October we will see the market will be at new highs, and once the election result comes up, it can break out. It's my assumption. I'm not any perfectionist, but it's my assumption that it will break out. The market will break out, and it can give, it can go higher. So these are the some of the other reasons. Because of these, the market will go higher. And if you see till March, if you see 28,000 to 18,000, nothing much. But till then, results and all that, budget will also be over. So we can see quite good of run up till budget this year, because the market has already been consolidating and down for like couple of years. Nothing bad for India. Even if you check the Kospi market, what happened was here when the market went down because of that war, Iran, everything, AI, market went down, and because of that, all the money was shifted from here to Kospi market. If you see the Kospi, see Kospi is like 6,200 something. A couple of months ago it was 9,000. Yes, in June it was 9,000. So from 9,000 it has come to 6,000, almost 3,000 wiped out from the top. And Kospi was running because of that AI rally. What we call this AI rally. See the downside. It went from 9,100 something. Within 1 month, 1 2 month, 50% from top has been 35% top has been removed. So because of that, the money again shifted from there. It's again shifting to Indian market. That's main chance. And but one thing is sure, it's not coming into large cap. It is the money is being shifted into mid cap, small caps. So the rally will be in mid cap, small caps. Large cap will move like slowly and steadily, but mid cap, small cap can give good run up. So we have to see which stocks will run up. There are few stocks which I have noticed or I have written down somewhere, and I'll show you my details. See, these are the 4 5 stocks which FIs have been buying: SML, Mahindra, Corona Remedies, DSW Infra, Sky Gold Diamonds, Aeroflex Industries. So these are the stocks which FIs are buying. So like these new different names are coming up. And if you see, most probably FIs have not bought any big market cap leader, like for instance any IT company or any stock which is like beaten down. They are not they are not like invested again in the same companies, the IT companies or the Reliance or anything like that. So they are moving their money from these big names to a different stocks altogether where there's no one, and they will run up like anything, and these will give very nominal returns like almost like 10%, 8%, 7% returns. This will not run much. So the money has been moved, has been shifted from these big companies. If you see Reliance also, Reliance has been negative 1335. It's not a very big uh, move. Looking at the financials of Reliance, what are the reserves? What are the ROC, ROE, book values, intrinsic value? All looking at all these things, the business of Reliance. See the chart, and if you see the report of results, if you see the results, consistent performer. It has been a consistent performer. Still, consistently it is delivering these. And look at the chart. Consistently it is going down. I was reading one book and it was mentioned. One of the fund managers was had mentioned that LIC is a very good pick right now, and because the OFS happened and it was like 3 to 4 times FIs have opted for the OFS. So FIS interest has been in this company LIC, because what is, if you see here, just don't look at the stock and the chart for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, whatever. Look at the financials again over here. See the profits, consistent again. Net profit, see the consistency. So LIC is, as per my understanding, LIC is better right now, because if you see the stock P, it's 8.3, lowest. Market cap is 498, sorry. Dividend yield is 2.5%. 8.3 is the PE ratio. If you see the competitors' PE, look at the PE ratio of these. No one is near LIC if you check the net profit. If you see Max and life insurance, net profit, you'll clearly see the difference. It's a clear blinder. See the ROC. ROC is 35, ROE is 37. So that means if a company is earning 100 rupees, 35% its return capital earned. So the company will be giving 35 rupees if they have earned 100 rupees. The face value is 10, 2.5 is the dividend yield. It's absolutely blinder if you invest in this company. And everything is okay. It's the biggest and its oldest insurer. It has a very big portfolio. It has all the necessary things, and plus the stock price is at very low. It's given everything, state-wise revenue, everything. And when I heard the commentary of the CEO of LIC, he mentioned that we'll be aggressively moving towards health insurance and other products apart from life. So life insurance is their key business, but apart from that, they will be aggressively marketing for health and other insurance types. So if that portfolio grows, of course, LIC's business will get impacted, like it will grow quite good. So don't look at the charts. My personal view is like LIC is a very good buy for long term, plus it has all the necessary things needed for a good company. The dividend yield, the stock PE, the ROC, ROE, everything. There is no debt. I'm not sure about this reserves. There was reserves, but now it's not showing over here. I'm not sure what exactly happened, but reserves were there. A lot of reserves were there. The company had very good reserves with it. It was almost like 80-90,000 reserves were there. There was no debt at all. What happened, I don't know. If you see the EPS, earnings per share, 47.5. So what you can do is you can start doing SIP, stock SIP in this. It's very low. The stock price is also like 300-400 per share stock. So you can do SIP on this stock SIP, which will be quite good. And that's it from me. And regarding cash, if you see, it's slowly and steadily getting absorbed. The situation, people are getting knowing how to getting understanding about that. And if you see on the website here, cash details are mentioned, market watches, and you can see how the volume happens when there is a cash. This is a different volume of just of cash, that is Nifty 50 stocks volume is there. All the stocks, how much is the value, turnover, and quantity has been bought, sold, whatever it is, it's over here. Nothing for small companies like Page Industries, Force and Bosch, Bajaj Holding, Power India. But when you click on here, you see Idea is the Idea, then Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank, Suzlon, Yes Bank, all these volumes, quantity of. So slowly and steadily we'll understand about cash. Right now it's just 1 week, so let it settle down. We'll discuss about this cash new system. Till then more clarity will come. So thank you so much for watching the video. That's it from my end. Please do subscribe, like and comment on my channel. Thank you.